action, go. Say, trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
We got Spider-Man, Abby get Abby. We got a witch. We got pumpkin. Luke, where is your father?
Guys, what are you gonna say when BJ comes?
I'll ring the doorbell, right?
I got it. Who is it? Molly, what do you say to BJ?
Trick or treat.
These are my nieces and nephews.
Just a minute, I'll get you some treats.
Wait, just a minute, let her come back.
Trick or treat.
I think he's scared. I don't think she's coming back. Do you think she's gonna come back? Okay.
Wait, guys, back up.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, what do you guys say? Molly, what do you say? Who must have been good today? Everybody say 1, 2, 3. Thank you, BJ.
Gotta get these feet.
Molly, you give BJ a hug.
Nice.
Give her a hug. Hey, Judy.
Oh, are you giving a hug?
Thank you. Have a good night.
Bye.
You're our first house. Thank you. Aim.
Are you doing video?
Her mom.
Oh my God.
From the beginning.
Jessica!
They are. Jen, shoes are too big.
Yeah.
I know. I brought her.
Okay, good.
Jessica!